What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. So I'm up at the headquarters this morning. I'm making some coffee, and I was thinking about the facts of how the mass majority, those with the wealth, have been deceiving us and been oppressing our people for so long. I just seen a recent photo and some information on Louis Vuitton showing they had a black zoo, a zoo with black people in it, kids. White people come up there and give them treats and, ooh, look at this black thing that looks like us, move like us, but it's not like us. You do know that we was considered in the Constitution not even a person, an eighth of a person or third of a person, which would make you an animal. So that way the people can own you and have tax benefits. I think as we grow and we know better, it's time for us to do better, man. Let's stop spending our money with these companies that literally has fed their families forever off of our pain, off of our sorrow, off of our oppression. And we say, oh, because I got the bag now, oh, I'm gonna go put Louis Vuitton on. You know, I'm a gangster, I'm a Crip, so I'm gonna have blue Louis Vuitton on. I'm gonna have gold or red. Man, fuck all that shit, bro. Wear your color. I'm not knocking your color. Rep your hood. But let's stop fucking with them, though. Let's start buying some black stuff. Let's start really building up our communities, man. We got to stop that shit, bro. You see what they doing? They putting us against one another. Got us buying they shit once we get on. Like, oh, I'm on now. Y'all can't afford it, but I can, so I'm balling. That's bullshit, bro. You blind. They fucking the shit out of you. It's time for us to wake up, man. Invest our money within our communities or with our people. But we can't invest it with them no more. It's systematically designed to keep all of us down. Only a few get out. So you think you special because you get out. And you can spend some money with them. Come on, man. My people perish for lack of knowledge. Now you know better. Let's do better. Hold on.